If you're tired of random ping spikes, lag during crucial gunfights, or rubberbanding across the map in Valorant, Fortnite, or Apex Legends, you're not alone. A lot of it comes down to your DNS, routing, and how your device connects to game servers. In this video, I'll show you how a free app from Cloudflare called WARP can actually reduce your ping and make your online gaming experience much smoother. Let's get into it. Cloudflare is one of the biggest companies handling internet security and performance globally. Back in 2018, they launched a DNS resolver called 1.1. It's basically a faster, more private way for your device to find websites and servers. But they didn't stop there. They also introduced something called WARP. It's not a VPN in the traditional sense. It's a performance and security layer that encrypts your data and routes it through Cloudflare's global network. For gamers, this means your connection might take a faster path to the game server, avoiding slow hops your ISP might normally send you through. This can lower ping, reduce jitter, and even protect you from packet loss in some cases. Now let's walk through how to set up 1.1.1.1 with WARP on your PC. Step 1. Go to the website 1.1.1.1. Scroll down until you see the Windows version and download the installer. It's completely free and safe. You don't need an account. Step 2. Install the app and launch it. You'll see a large toggle to enable 1.1.1.1. But we're not done yet. We want to enable WARP as well, which is what actually optimizes your connection routes. Click the settings icon in the corner. Under the connection options, select 1.1.1.1 with WARP. This will make sure your traffic is routed through Cloudflare's optimized network, not just using their DNS. That's it. WARP is now running in the background. You'll see a small Cloudflare icon in your system tray, and it'll stay active until you turn it off manually. Open up Command Prompt on your PC and run a ping test. This sends 50 packets to a stable DNS server and measures how long each one takes. Do this test before enabling WARP, then enable it and run the test again. Look at your average ping, as well as how much it spikes between the lowest and highest values. After that, hop into your game, whether it's Valorant, Fortnite, Apex, or whatever you're playing, and check the in-game ping monitor or network stats overlay. You're looking for a more stable, consistent number with fewer sudden jumps. If your ping dropped even slightly or stayed more stable under load, that's WARP doing its job. Here are a few tips to get the most out of WARP. First, use a wired Ethernet connection if you can. WARP can optimize your route, but it can't fix Wi-Fi interference or a weak signal. Second, disable background apps like Windows updates, Steam downloads, or cloud sync tools like OneDrive or Dropbox. These can eat up your bandwidth while you're gaming. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments what your ping was before and after using WARP. I'd love to hear your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.